Stop stressing about dinner. When I have zero time but want something epic, I make this. It's the ultimate lazy kebab tray. No skewers, no grilling mess, just pure juicy goodness. Trust me, your family will beg for this recipe. Hit that like button if you love quick dinners, and let's get cooking.
Welcome to our kitchen.
I hope you will join our big family. Let's start our recipe.
Let's start fresh. Grab a green bell pepper, 2 soft tomatoes, and some onions. You can add as many onions as you like. Honestly, they make the meat so tender and sweet. Throw in some fresh parsley for that pop of color. This veggie mix is the secret to keeping our meat juicy and not dry. Now, blitz everything in the food processor until it's super fine. Or if you want a workout, chop it finely with a knife. We must drain the liquid. Use a strainer and press down hard. We want the flavor, not the water. Keep that liquid aside. We'll need it later for a magic trick. Here I have half a kilo of ground meat. You can use beef, lamb, or even chicken breast. Add our drained veggie mix. Now for the secret to richness, I added 3 spoons of fat or ghee. It makes it melt in your mouth. And here's the binder. 5 spoons of soaked fine bulgur wheat. It adds an amazing texture. Seasoning time. 7 spices, black pepper, a pinch of cardamom and salt. And don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder. This is crucial. It keeps the meat fluffy and not dense. Now get in there with your hands. Knead it really well until everything is combined. It's like therapy, right? Remember that veggie water we saved? Add a spoon of tomato paste to it. That's our glaze. Now grease your baking tray with oil. Take that massive meat mix and spread it out evenly. No rolling balls, no skewers, just press it down flat. See? So easy. This is why I call it the lazy tray. Time to make it look professional. Use a knife to cut it into strips. Then use a spoon to create these cool indentations. It looks like it came from a fancy restaurant, doesn't it? Decorate the tray with tomato slices, onions, and spicy peppers. Brush that beautiful glaze all over the top for a stunning golden color. Into a hot oven it goes. It takes about 35 minutes. When it's almost done, brush it again with the juices and broil it for 10 minutes to get that char. Oh my God, guys, I wish I could send you the smell through the screen. It smells absolutely heavenly. This is comfort food at its best. Look at that, perfectly roasted veggies and juicy meat. Grab some flatbread. This is the best part. Making a sandwich with the roasted onions and peppers? Wow, I burnt my fingers like 1,000 times doing this, but it was totally worth it. Serve it with some soup or a crunchy salad, and you have a feast. The taste is just chef's kiss. It's savory, smoky, and incredible. If you are new here, please subscribe. I post easy, delicious recipes every single day. Don't deprive me of your sweet comments. I read them all. Love you guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I love you, my wonderful followers. See you soon.